Another day, another gala, gala ni Petit. For today's video, magpo-food trip naman muna tayo. I just discovered a hidden gem that's sure to be your go-to spot. A restaurant that serves massive portions of Filipino cuisines with delicious American twist. Mouth-watering flavors at prices your wallet will love. Perfect for foodies on a budget. So no more gatekeeping, let's go! Dito nga matatagpuan sa loob ng Bosay Resort, Barangay San Isidro, Antipolo City. O diba, may restaurant pala dito. And ito nga yung Team's Bistro, Teo and Miguel. Ang ganda nga ng location nila dito kasi isa to sa mga go-to spot din dito sa Rizal. And napakalawak ka ng parking area nila dito. So tara, pasok naman tayo sa loob. As you step inside, the vibes are very welcoming. With its rustic interior, feels like nasa province ka talaga. Very homey. With spacious seating, ideal for large groups. And dito naman sa side na to, makikita mo yung kanilang CR. So, ang perfect din dito kasi well-maintained din yung CR nila, in fairness. Meron din sila ditong second floor, so tara. So, nandito yung kanilang functional room, perfect for events or intimate gathering. Now, let's dig in why this spot deserve a place on your foodie bucket list. First, they have the American-inspired flavors na grabe, nakakaloka yung servings ha. Good for 4 to 5 person na yan mga babe. Super sulit and panalo talaga yung lasa. Tapos meron din silang seafood sampler, good for 4 to 5 person na rin. At may pa-chicken wings na rin sila dito, talaga namang cravings satisfied ka. Mapapa-taste like states ka talaga. Next, kung ang cravings mo naman ay Filipino comfort food, syempre di mawawala tong favorite kong sinigang. Mapapa-ulala wow ka talaga sa laki. And grabe talaga sa lambot, humihiwalay na talaga sa buto. Sobrang mouth-watering talaga yung sinigang nila dito, the best promise. Syempre hindi rin mawawala ang ultimate favorite ng mga Filipino, ang kare-kare. Best partner mo ko, dito sa Bagoong. Syempre, hindi mo ito matitikman kung hindi ka pupunta dito sa Teo San Miguel. Sana'y nagutom kita habang nanonood ka ng vlog na to. Tschüss! Ayun, at may naabutan nga kami dito na celebrate ng kanilang mga birthday. This spot easily earns a 9.5 out of 10 for me. It's highly recommended. From the generous servings that's perfect for sharing. Also, as they serve both worlds, the unique, delicious two menus, fusion of the Filipino and American flavors. And 3, for the homey vibes and spacious area, perfect for every occasion, whether you're celebrating special day or just looking for a go-to spot to satisfy your cravings. So, dito na yan sa Teo and Miguel. At dahil nga sa sarap ng mga pagkain, hindi pwedeng hindi ka magpasyaron yan. Happy eating and thank you for watching!